A day after formally joining the Congress party, Sidhu has now reached Amritsar. He will be visiting the Golden Temple today.
मैं करती गल जेडी करनी है मैं बाहर ही करूं
ना करो यार इस तरह करो नहीं कर रहे मीडिया ना गल नहीं कर रहे यार एक मिनट रुक जाओ
प्रधान साहब ने गल कर प्रधान साहब ज्यादा जरूरी है आओ आगे आओ भाजी सर अगर प्रधान साहब जरूरी है चलो
थोड़ा जा क्या ठीक है
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਓ ਹੋ ਜੋ ਚਲੋ
ਚਲੋ ਭਾਜੀ ਥੱਲੇ ਆ ਵੇਖੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਬ੍ਰਦਰ ਥੱਲੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਭਾਜੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਚਲੋ ਥੱਲੇ ਹੱਥ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਗੋਲਡੀ
ਬੇਟਾ ਟੋਟੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਚਲੇ ਜੇ
2 ਮਿੰਟ
ਭਾਜੀ ਆ ਕਰੋ ਭਾਜੀ
ਜਾਣਾ ਕਰਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਯਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਣੀ
ਆਓ ਭਾਜੀ ਮਾਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢੋ ਭਾਈ ਤੇ ਭਾਜੀ ਆਓ
ਭਾਜੀ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਇੱਧਰ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਜਰਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਚਲੋ ਥੋੜਾ ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤੀ ਕਰੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾਲ ਖੜੋ ਉਹਨੇ ਵੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ
ਚਲੋ ਯਾਰ ਚਲੋ
ਸਰ ਤੋੜ ਕੇ ਤੋੜ
ਸਰ ਮਾੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਬੋਲ ਦੋ
ਤੋੜ ਤੋੜ
ਸਰ ਮਾੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਬੋਲ ਦੋ
ਮੈਂ ਆ ਥੱਲੇ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਮਾਈਕ ਥੱਲੇ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਖੜੋ ਗੁਰੂਆਂ ਪੀਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਸੱਚ ਹੱਕ ਤੇ ਧਰਮ ਦੀ ਸਥਾਪਨਾ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਦੁਸ਼ਟਾਂ ਦਾ ਵਿਨਾਸ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਗਲਾਵਾਂ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਝੰਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਹੱਕ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਹੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਲੜਾਈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਤਾਉਣਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਹਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਅਤ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਆਪਸੀ ਭਾਈਚਾਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਏਕਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਹੋਗੀ ਕਿਸੁੰਨ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਸਮਝ ਲਓ ਜਾਓ ਓਕੇ ਚਲੋ
All right, that's Navjot Singh Sidhu addressing the press as he lands in Amritsar. He's expected to visit the Golden Temple today. Navjot Singh Sidhu formally joined the Congress party yesterday. In fact, at a press conference, he lashed out at the Akali Dal and accused them of ignoring Punjab and literally selling the state to the mafia. He said that he had quick fix solutions for all of the state's problems, which he planned to work on if voted to power. There's a huge crowd that's gathered there outside the Amritsar airport to greet Navjot Singh Sidhu. The Congress hoping that some of these crowds will translate into votes for the party. Let's once again listen in to that statement made by Navjot Singh Sidhu after landing.
ਇੱਧਰ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਜਰਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਚਲੋ ਥੋੜਾ ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤੀ ਕਰੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾਲ ਖੜੋ ਉਹਨੇ ਵੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਚਲੋ ਯਾਰ ਚਲੋ
ਸਰ ਮਾੜਾ
ਤੋੜ ਕੇ ਤੋੜ
ਸਰ ਮਾੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਬੋਲ ਦੋ
ਤੋੜ ਤੋੜ
ਸਰ ਮਾੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਬੋਲ ਦੋ
ਮੈਂ ਆ ਥੱਲੇ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਮਾਈਕ ਥੱਲੇ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਖੜੋ ਗੁਰੂਆਂ ਪੀਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਸੱਚ ਹੱਕ ਤੇ ਧਰਮ ਦੀ ਸਥਾਪਨਾ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਦੁਸ਼ਟਾਂ ਦਾ ਵਿਨਾਸ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਗਲਾਵਾਂ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਝੰਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਹੱਕ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਹੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਲੜਾਈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਤਾਉਣਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਹਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਅਤ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਆਪਸੀ ਭਾਈਚਾਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਏਕਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਹੋਗੀ ਕਿਸੁੰਨ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਸਮਝ ਲਓ ਜਾਓ ਓਕੇ ਚਲੋ
All right, Navjot Singh Sidhu there being greeted by supporters after landing in Amritsar. He's expected to pay a visit to the Golden Temple. He's kick-starting his campaign for the Congress party today. The countdown to the Punjab polls has begun. Addressing a press conference yesterday from the Congress headquarters in the national capital, Sidhu had spoken about the many problems plaguing the state, including farmer suicides and drug and alcohol addiction. He in fact said that the Akali government had made no efforts to solve these issues because it was indirectly benefiting from the alcohol and drug problem in the state. We're going to try and connect with our reporters on the ground to get an update on the mood in the state. Even as Navjot Singh Sidhu lashed out at the Akalis yesterday, he'd gone soft on the BJP and accused them of merely choosing the alliance with the Akalis over him. Sidhu in fact had called his joining the Congress party a sort of a homecoming. And after joining the Congress party yesterday, Navjot Singh Sidhu had spoken to India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai. Let's listen into what he said.
Okay, joining us now is the newsmaker of the moment, Navjot Singh Sidhu, who finally has decided to join the Congress party. आपने आज कहा कि कांग्रेस पार्टी में आपके roots हैं, आपके जड़ वहाँ हैं. Your roots are in the Congress. But Mr. Sidhu, did it take you till January 16 to realize कि your roots are in the Congress? 5-6 months ago, you were having negotiations with Aam Aadmi Party.
Not at all.
10 साल से आप बीजेपी में रहे.
Not at all. There were no negotiations. Negotiations happen when you ask for something. Negotiations happen when you say, I want this. Ask Mr. Kejriwal. He'll tell you I asked for nothing. I just said, I want the welfare of Punjab. What is my role? He told me you're not fighting elections. That's it. Khatak, khatam. He wanted to put me out of the race.
Wasn't your first choice Aam Aadmi Party and now the Congress?
Now, he wanted to put me out of the race before it started. Simple. You go and ask him. Confirm. That's it. And he's confirmed.
Then why the Congress? Why did you choose the Congress party now? Is it because you had no other options left? And why so late?
See, it was not a question of why so late. It was a question whether I'm allowed to perform a role in the resurrection of Punjab. It's very simple. Now, 10 years in the BJP, you were not allowed to take decisions. Being an MP, 8 of your primary projects were scuttled. Go see. स्वच्छता अभियान देखना चाहते हो 25-25 फुट ना अब सुनो 25-25 फुट के ढेर हैं स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी पैसे दिए वो पैसे खुर्द-बुर्द कर दिए उठा के कहीं और ले गए 8 प्रोजेक्ट दैट्स व्हाई आई रिफ्यूज टू स्टैंड विद देम दैट्स व्हाई
सर लेकिन आज जो लोग आपको कहेंगे कि सिद्धू इज एन अपॉर्चुनिस्ट आपने 2011 में रैली में कहा पप्पू मनमोहन आपने कहा कांग्रेस जो है और सोनिया गांधी शीला और मुन्नी की तरह बदनाम हुई है
मैंने कहा इंडिविजुअल बैटल नहीं है उन्होंने मुझे बहुत कुछ कहा सुनिया बहुत कुछ कहती है बाद में इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं क्या लालू जी ने नहीं कहा होगा उनको नीतीश जी को इकट्ठे हैं
तो अपॉर्चुनिज्म नहीं है
नॉट एट ऑल मैंने तुम्हें कहा अपॉर्चुनिज्म नहीं है इट इज बेसिकली फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ पंजाब मैं बाहर रह के पंजाब को संवार सकता हूं जो मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी देगा एक रोल देगा एक मैंने राहुल जी को एक एजेंडा दिया है और वो एजेंडा मैं 20 तारीख को डिक्लेयर करूंगा सर
आप आइए एजेंडा
मैं कह रहा हूं
नहीं मैं आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूं आपका 1 पॉइंट एजेंडा है बादल को निकालना है
अब मेरी
ये सही है
मेरी भी बात सुन लो ना
बादल को निकालना है
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है
आपने आज कहा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपके पास चॉइस था बीजेपी को चॉइस दिया अलायंस या बादल
बोले जाओ
नहीं आप बताइए
आपके इस खेल में नहीं आऊंगा मैं सुनो
बताइए
मेरा एजेंडा ये है कि पंजाब के सर के ऊपर 2 लाख करोड़ रुपए का कर्जा है वो कैसे चढ़ा वो चढ़ा स्टेट के एक्सचेकर को मार के बिजनेस से पर्सनल मुनाफों से सेल्फिश वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट हैव ओवररिडन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट
द बादल्स
yes the badals absolutely
so your battle is against the badals
no my battle is against poor policies my battle is against the policies which have looted Punjab my battle is against the transport policy my battle is against the policy which has actually taken Punjab to shambles.
But if Kejriwal had given you the deputy chief minister or chief minister,
he has offered it to
then
me.
You would have been ready.
Not at all. Not at all.
He has offered it to you.
You said it. He has offered you. He has gone in public and said, "We are offering you this." His nominee.
Did he offer you the chief ministership?
Why would he? When I've not asked for anything, why would he? अरे यार हद हो गई
So why did you then choose? I come back to it. Why did you? The AAP party has also taken on the Badals. उन्होंने ड्रग माफिया के खिलाफ उन्होंने पहले आवाज उठाई.
एक मिनट
आपने कांग्रेस क्यों चुना?
एक मिनट. It is choice and not chance that determines your destiny. उसने अपनी चॉइस की मैंने अपनी चॉइस की क्या एतराज है फैसला तुम नहीं करोगे राज भाई मैं नहीं करूंगा लोग करेंगे आवाजें खलक नगाड़ा खुदा जनता की आवाज में परमात्मा की आवाज और जनता आपको भी और मुझे बताएगी
और आप यू एक्सेप्ट अमरिंदर सिंह लीडरशिप You accept Amrinder
hold on. I accept anybody that the party high command tells me. I'm happy to work under anybody. Khatak.
All right, Sidhu has now reached Amritsar. He's expected to visit the Golden Temple. Now, let's get a word from our correspondent Manjeet Sehgal, who's with us live this morning. Manjeet, it's sort of a tradition that most candidates, especially in Punjab, before kicking off their campaign, pay a visit to the Golden Temple to seek blessings.
Yes, indeed, Maha. Navjot Singh Sidhu has just landed in Amritsar and he's taking part in a road show. From airport, he will straight go to the Golden Temple to pay his homage. This is how usually everybody, be the politicians, be the film stars, whosoever comes to Amritsar, they first visit the Golden Temple complex, and after that, Captain Trail, Maha. Meanwhile, Captain Amrinder Singh has said in Patiala that Sidhu will sit together and will decide the course of action, and what will be the role of the Sidhu will be decided together. And Sidhu will also work as a star campaigner for the party, but his adversaries are not buying this argument, particularly the Aam Aadmi Party. They say that there is a deal between Rahul Gandhi and Navjot Singh Sidhu, and Sidhu has himself clarified that he trusts Rahul Gandhi, but Captain Amrinder Singh has said that Sidhu has joined without any prerequisites.
And Manjeet, we're seeing a huge crowd of supporters who've turned up to greet Sidhu at the airport. Are these basically Congress workers, or are they actually citizens of Amritsar? Does Sidhu actually have some amount of ground support, or actually people turning up to get a glimpse of Sidhu? Does he inspire any amount of admiration and awe in this city?
Yes, most of them are the Congress workers, but there are also common citizens, and Sidhu and his wife are known as social workers in Amritsar, as they have personally been doing a number of activities in Amritsar. He's given a rousing welcome in Amritsar. The people say that they are expecting Sidhu as a new hope. He has joined Congress.
Right, we're facing some trouble on that line with our correspondent. We'll try and go back to him and get a sense of developments on the ground. Let's once again listen into that statement made by Sidhu after landing at the Amritsar airport.
ਗੁਰੂਆਂ ਪੀਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਸੱਚ ਹੱਕ ਤੇ ਧਰਮ ਦੀ ਸਥਾਪਨਾ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ। ਲੜਾਈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਤਾਉਣਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ, ਹਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਅਤ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ, ਆਪਸੀ ਭਾਈਚਾਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ। ਏਕਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਹੋਗੀ ਘਸੁੰਨ ਬਣ ਗਈ, ਸਮਝ ਲਓ।
All right, on your screens our latest visuals coming in from Amritsar. This huge cavalcade leaving the airport with Navjot Singh Sidhu on top of a mini truck, as he's surrounded by supporters of the Congress party. He's moving towards the Golden Temple, where he is likely to seek blessings. The leader will be formally kick-starting his campaign today. Sidhu joined the Congress party yesterday at the Congress headquarters, where he made a dramatic and a very entertaining speech. He lashed out at the Akali Dal, accusing them of the dismal law and order situation and ignoring problems plaguing the state. We have Manjeet Sehgal, who's with us live this morning. Manjeet, there are several issues that Sidhu spoke about yesterday, including drug addiction and farmer suicides. And Amritsar is especially, a city that has witnessed several farmer suicides and stories of distress in the last couple of years.
Yes, indeed, Sidhu has directly attacked Badals also. They said drugs are a reality in Punjab. The drug is the issue which has affected almost all youth in Punjab. Besides this, Punjab is also under a huge debt trap. Punjab has over a debt of 1.25 lakh crore. And Sidhu also says that besides this, there are a number of issues. Punjab has gone backwards during the past decade. Punjab used to be called the football of India, but now it is being called a drug land. The drug lords are ruling the roost here, and a lot is required to be done. Sidhu has said that he will be striving to put the Punjab back on the track after joining the Congress party, and he has also appealed to the youth and voters also to support the party that the present government failed to eradicate the drug menace and failed to push the state on the development path. but the state has, Sidhu has also criticized the present government of ignoring the issues, particularly the Amritsar, the Sidhu couple has been leveling serious allegations against the government that they ignored the Amritsar and also diverted the funds meant for Amritsar development to other heads. So this is how Sidhu is attacking the state government
Right.
and the Akali Dal as well. Sunil.
Manji, thanks so much for those details. We're going to keep coming back to you for more developments on this story.